Hi everybody, welcome to the CompuScholar Professional Development webinar for March 2020. Today we're going to be exploring the new CompuScholar Teacher Dashboard that's part of our online learning management system. My name is Chris Yost. I've spent quite a few years as a software engineer and also many years here at CompuScholar writing curriculum and working with students and teachers. So if you have any questions or comments that you think I can help with, certainly don't hesitate to reach out to me at chris.yost@compuscholar.com. So today we're going to focus on those new dashboard features. We'll do a little walkthrough here in a minute. We'll also talk about the new way that we're going to manage your teacher accounts and look ahead to rolling out this new dashboard over the summer. So some of you may be familiar with our on-ramp at our main website at CompuScholar.com, and that on-ramp was geared for new teachers who needed to get quotes and explore the online system and get review accounts. And that on-ramp account was actually separate from your account over at learning.compuscholar.com. So we're really pleased with the new dashboard that we're going to unify these accounts. So the old on-ramp stuff at CompuScholar.com will go away, and that you can do everything that you need to do in terms of exploring the system and getting quotes and so forth right within your learning.compuscholar.com account. Now when you log into the new dashboard, you will see a couple of different areas where we're going to list the review and production classes separately. Previously those were just mixed together in one big list, and it got kind of confusing for teachers that had a lot of classes in their accounts. We'll also show you how you can self-generate your own quotes within the new system. And you can also view your license status as well. So let's go ahead and flip over to our system and take a look. Alright, I'm logged into our system with my own account, and you can see them on the main dashboard here, and it looks completely different than what you're familiar with in your own dashboard. So we now have 4 panels, each of which do different things. In the top left is My Courses, so this will list your production courses that you're a part of. So if you're teaching active classrooms, those classrooms will show up here in a list, and of course this list will get bigger as you add more classes. Also, if you're enrolled in any of our professional development courses, like you're doing a summer skills session or you're prepping for the Praxis exam, those courses will be listed here as well. So you can see I'm currently enrolled in a couple of PD courses. Now over on the right are the review courses. So you will always have access to a Getting Started course with a series of walkthrough videos. And then if you need review access for any of our other courses, just click on the Request Review Access button. That will notify us that you want review access. And just give us a little bit of time to review the request and make the approval. Once we approve your request, you'll see all of those review courses lined up here in the Review Courses panel, and you can go into any course to check it out. Now your review access will last for 30 days, and if you need more time, the button will show up again, and you can just request additional time. So this is a great way to check out courses over the summer that you might want to adopt in the upcoming school year, or if you already have the course lined up for next year and you just want to do some lesson planning over the summer, you can use these review courses to do that lesson planning. Alright, the next interesting panel down here in the bottom right is My Quotes. So many of you are responsible for purchasing your own curriculum, and so if you need to generate quotes and take a quote to your business office to get a purchase order, you can do that here. The last new area here in the bottom left is your license description. So once your school or district has actually purchased CompuScholar courses, a description of that license will show up here. So you might have licenses for your particular school or for additional schools that span your district, and you'll be able to find out information about how many students are covered and whether or not that license has been paid. So many of you often have some questions about what is my school purchased and whether or not the school has paid for it, so you should be able to see that information right here at your fingertips. And if you have any questions, of course, don't hesitate to contact us and we can work with you on the licensing. So that's a quick overview of our new dashboard. Of course, if you have any suggestions, we're always happy to receive those, so don't hesitate to send those over to us. So as a side effect of rolling out this new dashboard, one of the changes that we are making in the way that we handle teacher accounts is that your account will actually be yours forever. You may recall that in prior years, when we go into the summertime months, we'll actually purge all of the existing teacher accounts and students' accounts and classrooms. And we'll still do that for your students. We'll still purge the prior classrooms, get those out of the way. But your teacher account that you have used to enroll in your courses this year will be your teacher account that you can keep forever. So at any time over the summer or during the school year, if you need to request review access, you can do that. If you want to use that account to enroll in the skill building sessions, the practice exam prep sessions, and that sort of thing, you can do that. And of course, use the account to prepare your quotes for next year. So what we've shown you so far is what we're internally calling the phase 1 rollout of the new dashboard. And we have some cool new stuff that we've planned for the summer as well. And the biggest new feature will be the ability to self-add courses. So we're actually planning on replacing the CompuScholar guidebooks, the online spreadsheet that you may be familiar with in prior years. We're just going to replace those completely with features in the dashboard that will let you self-add courses that you have access to. So if your license allows you 15 or 20 students, then you'll be able to self-add courses up to that maximum just by selecting them from a list. You don't have to request them and then wait on us to fill that information. So teachers will be automatically enrolled in those courses. You don't need a teacher registration code, and we'll still provide a student code so your students can self-register in those courses. So again, that'll be hopefully a big new feature that we'll be rolling out over the summer, so stay tuned for some more information on that. In terms of rolling out the new dashboard, all new accounts that we're creating now, if somebody comes in and requests review access, we'll have the new dashboard automatically. If you're an existing teacher and you don't see the dashboard yet, we expect to roll those out for everybody over the summer. However, if you like what you see and you want to get early access to it, simply ask us. So shoot me a quick email, say, hey Chris, please enable the new dashboard for my teacher account, and we'll get that set up for you right away. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you have any additional questions, please let us know.